Dear students, you are welcome again in this teleclass organized by Department of School Education Kashmir and Information Department. I am your teacher Ghulam Samrishi from State Institute of Education Kashmir. In the previous lecture we have studied about carbon and its compounds. What is carbon? What is the electronic configuration of carbon? And then carbon, allotropies of carbon, and then we have discussed the organic compounds, hydrocarbons. In the hydrocarbons we have studied that a classification of hydrocarbons. You have seen that hydrocarbons are classified into two categories, first aliphatic and cyclic. In the aliphatic we have discussed three types, that is the alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Today we will start where we have left from in the previous lecture. We will continue with the nomenclature. We have started the nomenclature of the alkanes. Say we will take today another compound. This is like CH3, 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 CH2 and CH3. What is the name of this compound? We have CH3, C, CH2, CH3. Here from this carbon one hydrogen strand is replaced by CH3 group. Here another hydrogen strand is replaced by CH3 group. Then what is the name of the compound? Where from you start the numbering? Recall that first of all we have selected the longest chain. Longest chain. If you recall that longest chain rule, we have to select the longest chain. What is the longest chain here? Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbons are in the longest chain. If you consider this chain 1, 2 and 3. If you consider this chain, this is 1, 2 and 3. So the longest chain will be this. So in the longest chain there are 4 carbons. So the parent compound is the butane. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why butane? Because there are all single bonds are there. No double bond is present, then it is the alkene. Now the question is why from we will start the numbering. Shall we start from this carbon or from this carbon? If you recall that we have to start the numbering from that side, why from the substituents will be nearer. Here the methyl group and methyl group comes at carbon number 2. If we start the numbering from this carbon, the numbering will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. As per this numbering, the name will be 3,3, yes, 3,3 dimethyl, 3,3 dimethyl butane. But if we start the numbering from this side, if we start the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4, the name will be, yes, 2-methyl and 2-methyl means 2,2-dimethyl, 2,2-dimethyl, 2,2-dimethyl butane, which is the correct name. Correct name is this, because if you recall the lowest sum rule, the second rule is the lowest sum rule. What the lowest sum rule states? That we have to add these locations, we have to add these locants, we have to add to these positions. If we add this position, the numbering of this color, it will be 3 plus 3. It is 6. If we add 2 plus 2, it is 4. Which is the lowest sum? This is the lowest sum. So the correct name of this compound is 2,2-dimethyl butane. This is the correct name of this compound. Now we will take the another example. If you have data like this, आपके पास ये compound है C, CH3, you have C2H5, you have CH2, you have C2H5, you have CH2, CH3 and you have here C2H5. क्वेश्चन जरा tedious है, बड़े एग्जाम्पल हमने ले लिया है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन कि कहां से लॉन्गेस्ट चेन बनेगी. लॉन्गेस्ट चेन, इफ यू सी, इफ यू गो थ्रू दिस स्ट्रेट चेन, हाउ मेनी कार्बन atoms come in the straight chain? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here 6 carbons comes in this chain. So you have 6 carbons in this chain. But if you start from this, here we have 2 carbons already. If we break this, it is like this, CH2, CH3. इट वाज C2H5, C2H5 को बेटा हमने स्प्लिट किया है CH2CH3, इट इज द इथाइल ग्रुप, इट इज द इथाइल ग्रुप, तो इसको हमने स्प्लिट किया है CH2CH3। यहां पर भी C2H5 है, मतलब 2 कार्बन है। अगर हम यहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ये 2 कार्बन हो गए, 2 + 1 3 4 5 6 एंड 7। ये चेन जो आ रही है बेटा, ये 7 कार्बन वाली चेन आ रही है। 7 कार्बन आर हियर इन द चेन। हियर हाउ मेनी कार्बन आर इन द चेन? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 carbons like this. If we select this chain, there are the 7 carbons. So which chain we have to select? We have to select that chain where there are the maximum carbons. 7 carbons are there. So the parent compound is heptane. Parent is heptane. Now the question is, where from we will start the numbering? किस साइड से हम नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे? but अगर हम इस साइड से नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे 1 2 3, this position gets 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Add position number. If we go adding the positions, here we have 5, we have 5, so it is 5 plus 5, plus here we have 3 plus 3, so it is 3 plus 3. So what is the total? What is the net sum? Net sum will be the 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 is a 16. So from this color, blue color, it's a blue color, the blue color numbering, the sum comes 16. Now if we start from this carbon, the numbering we will start from this carbon. It is 1 2 and 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. What is the sum? It will be 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5. बोथ जो सम है वो 16 आता है, चाहे हम नंबरिंग यहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे या नंबरिंग हम यहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे, whether from we will start numbering from this side or we will from numbering from this side. लेकिन इसमें एक और प्रॉब्लम है बेटा, कॉम्प्लेक्स थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि सर अगर हम यहां से नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे, व्हाट विल द नेम? अगर हम नंबरिंग ये वाली नंबरिंग ब्लू वाली नंबरिंग स्टार्ट ये सिलेक्ट करेंगे, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द कंपाउंड? नेम ऑफ द कंपाउंड विल बी देन, यस, name of the compound will be here. At position number 3 you have ethyl and you have also ethyl, so it is 3,3 ethyl. Here you have methyl at position number 5, at position number you have 5 methyl, so it is 3,3, it is 3,3 diethyl, 3,3 diethyl, then 5,5 dimethyl, 5,5 dimethyl. If we will write the name of the compound, say it is 3,3 diethyl 5,5 dimethyl, and parent compound is heptane. It is 3,3 diethyl 5,5 dimethyl heptane. This is the one name of the compound. ये एक हमारा नाम बन गया। अब दूसरा नाम का क्या बन जाएगा? अगर हम यहां से ये नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे, ये नंबरिंग सिलेक्ट करेंगे, यहां से यहां वाली नंबरिंग सिलेक्ट करेंगे, what is the next name? Next name will be the 3,3 dimethyl, 3,3 dimethyl, 3,3 dimethyl, then 5,5 diethyl, 5,5 diethyl, and it is heptane. It is heptane. So दो नाम हम हमारे पास आ गए, एक इस कंपाउंड का नाम आ गया, आप कंपाउंड को अच्छी तरह कॉपी पर लिखिए। कंपाउंड का एक नाम आ गया हमारे पास 3,3 डाइइथाइल 5,5 डाइमिथाइल हेप्टेन, दूसरा नाम जो आ गया वो आ गया 3,3 डाइमिथाइल 5,5 डाइइथाइल हेप्टेन. Which name is the correct? First of all, you have to remember that we have to start the numbering from that side where from the methane comes first. Where from the methane comes, हमने नंबरिंग उस साइड से स्टार्ट करनी है जहां से मीथेन हमें नजदीक में आता है. मीथेन यहां पर पोजीशन नंबर 3 पर आता है, because you write down that we have to start from that very side where from the methyl group comes first, because methyl is a senior member in the homologous series of alkenes. और अल्काइल्स की जब होमोलॉगस सीरीज हम देखते हैं, अल्केन्स की जब हम होमोलॉगस सीरीज देखते हैं, तो मिथाइल इज द फर्स्ट मेंबर, मिथाइल फॉलोड बाय इथाइल, followed by propyl, followed by butyl. So we have to give the preference to the methyl group. So the numbering, we have to start the numbering from this side, 1, 2 and 3. We have to select this numbering. Although the sum comes equal, sum comes 16, sum comes here 16. But shall we start from this side or this side? We have to start from this side, because we have to start from that side where the methyl group gets preference. Methyl group gets preference from this side. So the name will be 3,3-dimethyl 5,5-diethyl heptane. This will be the correct name, but there is a problem in this name. Though methyl is the senior member, but we have to follow the alphabetic order. We have to follow the alphabetic order. Alphabetic, in the alphabetic, if we see, first comes the ethyl, then methyl. Though numbering we will start from this side, हम इस साइड से नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे, लेकिन जो प्रेफरेंस देनी हमें, हमने प्रेफरेंस दिया मिथाइल को, लेकिन जो नाम लिखना हमें, वो नाम जो है हमें वी हैव टू कीप इन विद द अल्फाबेटिक ऑर्डर, कि कौन सा अल्फाबेट पहले आता है. पहला जो अल्फाबेट आएगा वो आएगा 5,5-डाइइथाइल, 5,5-डाइइथाइल, देन 3,3-dimethyl heptane. Why heptane? Because the parent compound was heptane. Parent compound जो हमारे पास है वो heptane है. तो और heptane में जो बहुत सारे सबस्टिट्यूएंट्स आ गए, इथाइल आ गया, इथाइल आ गया, मिथाइल आ गया, मिथाइल आ गया. I hope that you have got this compound. You are able to now write the name. You have learned now the Lewis sum rule, how to select the chain, and then the alphabetic order. Then we will move the alkenes. Next thing, alkenes. But the alkenes मैंने आपको बताया, if you recall the previous lecture, कि in the alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons, and the alkenes contain at least one double bond. They are the aliphatic, but which aliphatic? They are the unsaturated, containing at least one double bond. So we have this alkene. If you recall, CH, H, double bond, C, H and H. What is the name of this compound? Simple compound is it? CH2, double bond CH2. What is the name of the compound? Yes, the name of the compound is, sir, it is the ethene, because ethene means double bond. It is the unsaturated. It is ethene, E-T-H-E-N-E, ethene, simple. Now if we have the compound like this, we have the compound, it is CH3, CH, double bond CH2. बेटा अगर इसको आप खोल कर लिखेंगे, H, यहां पर H, इस कार्बन को 3 H है, बॉन्डिंग भी आप देखिए, it is C, it is H, it is double bond, it is C, it is H and it is H. आप इसको जल्दी लिखिए, कॉपी पर इसको जल्दी लिखिए कि it is C, C के साथ ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डेड है, सिंगल बॉन्ड है, सिंगल बॉन्ड हाइड्रोजन, देन सिंगल बॉन्ड कार्बन. कार्बन के पास 4 वैलेंसी आनी चाहिए. ये कार्बन ने डबल बॉन्ड इसके साथ बनाया, किस कार्बन के साथ? इस कार्बन के साथ. दिस इज द डबल बॉन्ड हियर, एंड यहां पर जो है एक और सिंगल बॉन्ड है हाइड्रोजन का के साथ, और एक और हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड हाइड्रोजन के साथ है, सिंगल बॉन्ड हाइड्रोजन के साथ है. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द कंपाउंड? द नेम ऑफ द कंपाउंड इज सिंपली प्रोपीन. We can write the name of the compound is propene. It is a propene. But appropriately, sometimes if there is a written, the option is like this in your examinations, this is 1, 2 and 3. It is the prop 1ene, means double bond की जो position है वो कार्बन नंबर 1 पर है. Whether you will write the propene or you will write prop 1ene. Prop means there are 3 carbons in the chain, there are 3 carbons in the compound, 3 carbons in the chain, and double bond is at position number 1. Whether you will write the prop 1ene or whether you will write the propene, both the names are correct. Now you have the compound like this. You have the compound CH3, you have C, you have CH3, you have double bond, you have CH, you have single bond CH3. If you see here, the carbon gets the 4 valency. Carbon, single bond carbon, hydrogen, double bond this, and this carbon also gets the 4 valency. This carbon has a double bond with this carbon, and single bond with this carbon, and single bond with this carbon. What is the name of the compound? First of all, you have to select the longest chain. How many carbons are in the chain? Longest chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. The numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. What will be the name? The parent compound is but. But means there are 4 carbons in the chain. In the longest chain we have the 4 carbons. It's a but. But at position number 2 we have the methyl. We have the methyl. At position number 2 we have the methyl. So it is 2 methyl. It is 2 methyl but means 4 carbon are there, and 2 ene means double bond is at position number 2. Is it okay? Are you following? I hope that you are following well. Now the next compound, we will do one more compound of these alkenes and then we will move to the alkynes. But we have this compound CH3, this is CH3, this is CH3, this is CH double bond CH2. This is the compound. Your compound is now CH3, 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 CH double bond CH2. What is the name of this compound? Longest chain, easy. There are only 4 carbons in the longest chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So they are the 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now first you have to see the lowest sum rule. Yes, is the 2 plus 2 plus 3, because double bond is at position number 1. It is the 2 plus 2 plus 3, it is the 7. Okay, but if you will do the numbering from this side, आप इस compound को बेटा अच्छी तरह understand कीजिए. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If we do the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3 and 4, what is the sum of the positions? It is 1 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. It's again 7. So now the confusion is why from we will start the numbering. If you encounter such type of problem, where from you will start the numbering? अगर आपको ये प्रॉब्लम कन्फ्रंट होगी तो आप कहां से जो है नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करोगे? सर सम जो है 7 आ रहा है, यहां पर भी सम जो है 7 आ रहा है, तो अभी फिक्स में हो गए. कहां से नंबरिंग हम स्टार्ट करेंगे? कौन सी नंबरिंग हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे? एट दैट टाइम जहां से भी डबल बॉन्ड नजदीक हो जाएगा, जहां से भी आपको डबल बॉन्ड जो है, डबल बॉन्ड विल नाउ डिटरमाइन द होल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड. This in your higher class you will study that there is a one sigma bond and one pi bond. This double bond will determine the properties of this compound. So you have to give the preference to the double bond. So इस वक्त जो हमारी numbering जो select करनी है, हमारी जो numbering जो select होगी वो black वाली होगी. So what is the name? The name will be the 3,3 dimethyl, because there are 2 methyl, 3,3 dimethyl but 1-ene. This is the correct name of the compound. 3,3 dimethyl but 1-ene. अगर आप ये नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करोगे तो आएगी 2,2 dimethyl 3-ene, but that will be the wrong name of the compound. That's the wrong name of the compound. The correct name will be 3,3 dimethyl but 1-ene. Hope that you are getting it. Now the one more compound. If you look, one more compound we will take from the alkenes. Then we will take the alkynes. They'll come in combining state. We will take few compounds. But we have the compound CH3. It is C, it is H, it is double bond C, it is CH3, and it is here single bond CH double bond CH2. See here we have the single bond, it is C, it is here H, and we have double, it is here CH3, and we have here CH2 double bond. Say this is your compound. This is your compound now. You quickly draw this compound on your notebooks. This is your compound CH2 double bond C, single bond CH3, single bond C, CH3, CH3. Say we have here one more CH, one more H, because the carbon should have 4 valency. CH double bond CH2. What is the name of the compound? Longest chain is this. In the longest chain you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbons. There is no doubt in selecting the longest chain. This is very easy. You can select the longest chain. कितने longest chain में कितने carbons बेटा? Longest chain में 5 carbons आपके है. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the question is, sir, why from we will start the numbering? Yes. So if we in the previous compound you have told that the numbering should be started from that end where the double bond comes at terminal position. But if we look towards this compound, अगर हम इस compound की तरफ देखेंगे, double bonds हमारे पास दो इस compound में है. We have two double bonds in the compound, and both of the double bonds जो है वो terminal positions पर है. Now again जो है confusion है, कहाँ से start numbering करेंगे? You have, if you start numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is the sum of the substituents? What is the sum of the positions? Here at carbon number 1 we have double bond, this is 1, plus at position number 2 we have the methyl, this is plus 2. Here we have the again methyl plus 3, and we have double bond comes attached with the carbon number 4, that is plus 4. So the sum will be 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, and plus 4 is 10. Now if we will do the numbering from this color, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, if you add the positions, 1 plus 3, because at position number 3 we have the methyl, plus 4, at position number 4 we have the methyl again, and plus 4 we have the double bond attached to the position number 4. बेटा आप इसको ड्रा कीजिए, उसको ट्राई कीजिए. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. What is the sum? 4 plus 4, 8, plus 3, 11, plus 1, 12. So which numbering you have to select? As per the lowest rule, this numbering you have to select. So what is the name? What will the name of the compound? The name of the compound will be 2,3-dimethyl, because at position number 2 you have the methyl group, at position number 3 again you have the methyl group. So 2,3-dimethyl, 2,3-dimethyl. Parent compound is pant, 1,4-diene, 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 2,3-dimethyl pant 1,4-diene will be the name of the compound. Hope that you are getting well. Now we will take the alkynes. Alkynes, if you will call the alkynes, contains at least one triple bond. The alkynes are the, I am repeating again, alkynes are the unsaturated. They are from the aliphatic class. They are open chain, and they should contain at least one triple bond. Now we have the simplest compound. You have C, triple bond C, and this is H, and this is H. Okay. What is the name of the compound? First member of the homologous series of the alkynes is this compound. What is the name of the compound? Yes, beta. It is CH. If we write it in the condensed form, CH, triple bond CH, it is ethyne, E-T-H-Y-N-E, ethyne, or commonly it is known as acetylene. Commonly it is known as acetylene or simply ethyne. Now you have the compound CH3, it is CH2, it is CH, it is triple bond C, triple bond CH. What is the name of the compound? How many carbons are in the longest chain? There are 4 carbons in the chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Since the triple bond is at position number 3, you have to start the name from this triple bond. You have to start the numbering from this triple bond. The numbering will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. The name of the compound will be but-1-yne. 1-yne means there is one triple bond that is attached to carbon number 1. Is it okay? Now another example. If you take this example, CH, triple bond C, single bond C, it is CH3, it is C2H5, it is CH2, it is C, it is triple bond CH. Now there are 2 triple bonds and both the triple bonds are at position number 1. I hope that you will do this question very easily. The longest chain will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There will be 6 carbons in the longest chain. Wherefrom we will start the numbering. If we start from this side 1, 2 and 3, this position gets the position number 3. If we start from this 1, 2, 3 and 4, if you do the lowest sum rule, we have to start from this side because this gets 3 position. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 plus 5. We have to add the 5. The lowest sum will be if we start the numbering from this side, because this position, this carbon gets here number 3. If we start from this side, 1, 2, 3 and 4, this carbon gets the number 4. So naturally, what is the correct option? What is the option left with us? Is that we have to start the numbering from this side, from this carbon. आपको बेटा numbering start करनी है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what will the name? Name will be there. Yes, you recall the alphabetic order. You have 3 ethyl, you have 3 methyl. By virtue of the alphabetic order, which thing you will write first? 3 ethyl followed by 3 methyl. It is a 3 ethyl, 3 methyl, 3 ethyl, 3 methyl. Yes, then it is hex. It is hex. It is 1,5,1,5-diene. Diene means there are 2 triple bonds. 1,5-diene. 1,5-diene means triple bond is with the carbon number 1 and triple bond is attached with the carbon number 5. Hope that you are getting well these things.